Hey everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my channel English with Dihati ma'am. Hope you are doing great. And friends, it's 5 a.m. in the morning, and today I woke up at 4:30 again. And just because I spent some time doing affirmation and I sit alone in peace, so it's been half an hour I was doing that thing, and now every day it happens with me. Every day around 5 a.m. in the morning, light always goes off. So it happened, lights went off, and now I have to finish my work. So I don't have any inverter at my home. So what I will do now, I purchased this phone, my this new one phone. So I will be using that phone's light, means torch light, to finish my work. And by the time 6:30 or 6 a.m. I'll finish my work. So, friends, after waking up, I engrossed myself into doing all the household chores, just like cleaning and mopping. And my husband is still sleeping because it's dark, and that's why I will not disturb my husband. I'll be finishing all the work on my own by myself. And first I will broom, and now I'm brooming the house, and after brooming then I will mop, because I prefer to do these things every day to do, because I want my house neat and clean, because I have to live here throughout the day. I have to live here, I have to take classes, and that's why. And I'm a kind of person who always wants to see all the things clean and tidy. So now before rising the sun I'll be finishing my this work. So now I'm about to finish this work, especially so in friends, the room. Finally I finished my room's cleaning. I groomed the room, I mopped the room, and now it's time for me to go to the kitchen and do the dishes and clean my kitchen. So let's go there, okay? And still, you can see, still it's not clear because it's about to sunrise. It will take some time. It will not happen too fast. And here you can see the weather. It's too cloudy. And this is my kitchen. These are the utensils. And I have to clean all the mesh because last night there was no light. So I couldn't do anything. So now without any further ado, let's start washing the dishes and doing all the work. Friends, since the time I have started providing spoken English classes, it's become so hard for me to manage my life, and that's why I don't make a proper timetable for me. Still I try my level best to fulfill my each and every responsibility, because if I take any decision for me for just to groom myself, so definitely I'll be working, because I'm a kind of person who is not interested in making excuses and doing procrastination. So that's why I started following new routine, and I started getting up early in the morning at 4:30. And earlier I used to get up around like 6 or 5:30. So in this way means I found a solution for me to manage my work, because before starting my first class, okay, I finished my cooking, I finished my all household chores. Yeah, some works will be pending, so I'll do all this work later on after taking my classes. And right now you can see I about to clean my kitchen, and first I did the dishes, and now this is gas stove, so I have to also clean this. And now I will broom the kitchen, and then I will mop. And you can see, I'm a kind of a person who doesn't want to see any dirt or any dust in his house, in his or her house. And the same thing I do follow, because since the childhood I have seen my Buaji. She was fond of doing all the household chores since early in the morning. And not only this thing, there's also one reason behind, means especially living in a village, so you have to follow this routine. So friends, Right now I have finished my kitchen's work related to cleaning. I did the dishes. I also washed the basin thoroughly, and I arranged all the things. And now after having shower, I'll cook food. And here I'll just broomed, and here I broomed as well as I washed, okay, with water. And now it's time for me to brush my teeth and to have my shower. So without any further ado, let's start. Okay. So friends, now I will meet you after having shower and after getting ready. Okay. So hey friends, good morning again, because now I'm ready to start my day, and I had my shower and I got ready, and now it's time to give some time to our God. So I'm going to worship. Okay. So after worshiping, then I'll meet you. Okay. So friends, after having shower, I came downstairs and this is my room, and first I will worship God, and now I'm worshipping, and meanwhile my sister-in-law, one of my sister-in-laws, she came and she started playing, and I gave her a balloon, and she is doing something on that balloon, and I will cook food. And yeah, I worshipped God, and now it's time for me to cook food. And first of all, before cooking food, I'll have to ask from my husband what would he like to have, especially there's nothing like lunch, breakfast, or dinner. It's like khana. So what would he like to eat? Yeah, for brunch I can say. So now I will cook food, and I will meet you after some time after getting ready my food. Okay. And after cooking food, then I'll have to take class. So friends, right now I had a pot, and in this pot I filled some water. I added some water, and this is soup. This is called soup, and in this soup you can see there's rice, and right now I'm about to pick over the rice, and now I'm going to do that. Okay, so I don't know what do you call this soup in English, but yeah, this is Hindi word, because I think only Indians they use soup. So right now I'm picking over the rice, and my water is getting hot, and then when my water, okay, when this water will boil, then I will be adding this rice after washing. Washed this rice, okay, thoroughly, and now this water also starts boiling, and now I'm going to add this rice into this pot. Okay, so let me show you how I will do it. So friends, now I did all the preparation to cook vegetable, and today I'm going to cook potatoes, tomatoes, and pointed gourds. Vegetable means perwal, and this is all the items like ginger, garlic, chilies, and onion to season the vegetable. And I have already put this wok on the gas stove, and I added the oil, and the oil is hot. So now it's time to add first cumin seeds, means jeera, because I prefer to add jeera in my curry. So I will take a little, this much, and now I'm adding it. And now the jeera has started cracking. And now let's add all the items needed to season this vegetable. And my rice is already cooked, you can see. And so right now I think, how much the time? It's 7. It's 7 a.m. So I have 45 minutes. I have 45 minutes, and within 45 minutes, yeah, my food will be ready.
So my vegetable is getting ready. Meanwhile, I will knead the dough, and then I will make chapatis. And friends, now I started making chapatis, and because it's already 7:30, it's about to 7:30, and I have to finish my cooking before 7:40, because then I will get some time to get ready myself for classes. And it's also important for me to give at least 5 or 10 minutes to take rest. And now you can see.
So friends, I baked the chapatis, I cooked the rice, and my curry is just boiling, and within few minutes it will also get ready. And it's only 7:32. 7:32 or 7:33? 7:30, 7:33, and I finished my cooking.
And friends, you can see right now I'm taking class, and in my morning batch there are only two students, Shubham and Bhaskar. Bhaskar is a father, and Shubham is a single, means he's not married yet.
So friends, my class is over now, and after finishing my class, then I had my brunch with my husband, and now I'm ready to do my other work, just like I will edit the video, I will shoot the video for my both channels, and I will do some editing part, and I will make thumbnail, then means कि सारे काम जो भी करने हैं then I will be doing. And yeah, around 12 o'clock I will also take class from a ma'am. And ऐसा ही मेरा schedule है, this is my schedule. And yeah, just tell me, did you like this video or not? And if you like this, then please hit the bell icon, subscribe my channel, and please like, share and subscribe